Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix email notifications not working on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you want to check is if any focus modes are turned on. To verify this, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open a control center. Focus modes on iPhones are designed to help you stay concentrated by filtering notifications, but sometimes they might block your email alerts. Look for the focus modes icon, such as Do Not Disturb, Personal Work, and so on to see if there are any enabled. These icons will appear highlighted if they are active. Make sure all focus modes are turned off. If there are any on, tap on the icon to turn it off. This will ensure that your email notifications aren't being suppressed, either on the lock screen or your home screen. Next, let's verify the notification settings for the Mail app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Mail, and then tap on it at the top of the screen. Make sure that all notifications are turned on. This is essential because if it's off, you won't receive any notifications at all. Under Alerts, ensure that Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners are all turned on. This ensures you receive notifications regardless of whether your phone is locked or unlocked. You can also adjust the sounds and badges settings according to your preference. If you want a sound to accompany your notifications, make sure Sounds is turned on. Badges will show a red number on the app icon indicating how many unread emails you have. Additionally, under Banner Style, you can choose between temporary or persistent. Temporary banners disappear after a few seconds, while persistent banners stay on the screen until you dismiss them, ensuring you don't miss any notifications. If you have multiple email accounts linked to your iPhone, you can customize notifications for each account separately in the Mail notification settings. Scroll down to customize notifications. Tap on your specific email account, such as Gmail or iCloud. Here you can turn on or off notifications for that specific account, as well as enable badges and sounds. This is very useful if you only want notifications for certain email accounts. If all else fails, the issue might be with the email account itself. A simple yet effective fix is to delete the account and then reinstall it. To do this, go back to the Settings app and scroll down to Mail. Tap on Accounts to see all the email accounts linked to your iPhone. Select the email account that's giving you trouble at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Delete Account. Don't worry, this won't delete all of your emails. They're still stored on your email server. After deleting the account, restart your iPhone to ensure that any residual settings are cleared to restart. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the slider to power off screen appears. Afterwards, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on, and the iPhone is restarted after a successful restart. Head back to your email accounts and tap on Add Account to reinstall the email account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log back into your account. Reinstalling the account often resets any corrupted settings or bugs that might be causing notification issues, ensuring that your email notifications start working correctly again. So that's basically how you can fix email notifications not working on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.